Hello. I want to show you how to remove taillights on Mercedes CLK in case yours is broken, or if you want to do painting like I do. You need to remove this, and it's very easy, few bolts. Let me show you. You need to open the trunk. Of course, there are 2 bolts keeping this taillight, and there's one more bolt inside of this liner, which you need to undo, but not completely. You need to do it completely. And in case you do not see this 3rd bolt in the liner, or you have this different kind of liner because there are 2 different or even more options, you need to undo these clips, and then you would pull back this liner, and then you would have access to this bolt, but you just need to undo it, not completely. And in order to do so, let me show you. So how to remove this. This one undoes very easily. Do the second one. Okay, this one does as well. And like I said, you need to undo this one, but not completely. Go through this hole. Okay, should be fine. And then, if you are doing it after a long time, you would need to put this kind of plastic thing here and then do it like this. Then it will pop out. Yeah, it can be stuck if it is not open for a long time. And when you do so, it's hard to show you with one hand. You open this and you will see this electrical connection for the light bulbs, and then you just squeeze this and then wiggle it while squeezed, and it will pop out. And that's it. It's very simple, very easy, and of course you do it, install it in the same way. Why we didn't undo this 3rd bolt? As you see here, it's just using this edge to get into this trunk. You can probably see it, and then this edge will lean against the trunk, and everything will be fine. So you put it in the same direction, of course, do the connection, which I did not do it now, and tighten this one, put these 2 bolts, and that's it. I want to show you, if you cannot access this bolt through the liner, you would need to use something like this. It's very easy to find, very cheap. So you would need to unplug this to yep, like this. First one goes out, and then second one goes out, maybe even 3rd one. But basically what you would do, you would pull this liner. This is the light switch for the trunk, and now you have full access to this bolt. And of course, when you're finished, you put everything back. Don't be afraid to press this in. Put this liner back. This clips, put it back, put the bolts, and that's it. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.